Hello friends, today we are going to see chapter number 2, Pythagoras Theorem. So what is Pythagoras Theorem? In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. See here, this is a triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. Angle A and angle C are acute angles. Means this is a right angle triangle. In this figure, AC, side AC is the hypotenuse. And side AB and BC are the remaining sides of this triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is side AC. So square of this side is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides, means AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. Now the next topic is Pythagorean triplet. In a triplet of natural numbers, if the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called Pythagorean triplet. We will see one example of this triplet. Triplet means three numbers, and the numbers should be natural numbers. We will see one example. 3, 4, 5. This is a triplet. Triplet means three numbers. Now we can see in these three numbers, 5 is the largest number. So the square of this largest number, 5 square is 25. Now we will see the squares of the remaining two numbers. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. The square of this largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. If the square of this largest number is equal to the sum of the square of these two sides, then this is a Pythagorean triplet. So we will check whether this sum is equal to this number or not. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. That is 5 square. Means this is a Pythagorean triplet. In the book, example is given 11, 60, 61. Square of 11 is 121. 60 square is 3600. 61 square is 3721. And 121 plus 3600 is equal to 3721. Means in this triplet, the square of this largest number is 3721 and the square of these remaining two numbers, sum of these remaining two numbers is also 3721. Means this is a Pythagorean triplet. Next topic is property of 30, 60, 90 degree angle. If acute angles of a right angle triangle are 30 degree and 60 degree, then the side opposite 30 degree angle is half of the hypotenuse and the side opposite to 60 degree angle is square root of 3/2 times the hypotenuse. In this figure, this is a right angle triangle. Angle Q is 90 degree and angle P is 30 degree angle R is 60 degree. So by 30, 60, 90 degree property, we can see opposite side of 30 degree angle is QR. Opposite of 30 degree is QR. So this side, by property, this side is half of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is PR. Half of hypotenuse means PR. And side opposite to 60. Opposite side of 60 degree is PQ. Opposite side of 60 degree is PQ is square root of 3/2 times of the hypotenuse, means is equal to square root of 3/2 into PR. Then next is the property of 45, 45, 90 degree. If the acute angles of a right angle triangle are 45 and 45, then each of the perpendicular sides is 1/√2 times the hypotenuse. See in this figure, ABC triangle ABC, angle A is 45 degree, angle C is 45 degree, and angle B is 90 degree. Now in this case, each of the perpendicular side, means side AB and side BC, both sides are square root of 1/2, 1/√2 times the hypotenuse, means AB is equal to 1/√2 times the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. This side BC is also 1/√2 times of hypotenuse, that is AC. Next is similarity and right angle triangle theorem. In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. See in this figure, ABC is the triangle. Altitude is drawn from angle B to the hypotenuse AC. BD is the altitude. By drawing this altitude, we get here again two triangles. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला दोन ट्रायंगल्स दिसून येत आहे. ABC हा आपला ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल आहे. B वरनं हायपोटेनस AC वर अल्टिट्यूड ड्रॉ केलेला आहे. त्यामुळे या ठिकाणी ABC चे दोन पार्टमध्ये, दोन ट्रायंगलमध्ये डिव्हिजन झालेलं आहे. So these two triangles are similar to the original triangle. हे दोन ट्रायंगल्स हे ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल ABC ला सिमिलर आहेत and they are similar to each other also. Means these two triangles are similar to each other as well as these two triangles are similar to the original triangle ABC. Then next is theorem of geometric mean. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment of the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. या फिगर मध्ये आपल्याला दिसून येते PQR is a right angle triangle. Q वरून PR म्हणजेच hypotenuse वर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ केलेला आहे. हा सेगमेंट QS is the geometric mean of these two sides. Means QS square is equal to PS into SR. The perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. Hypotenuse हा PS आणि SR मध्ये डिवाइड झालेला आहे. So QS is the geometric mean of these two segments. Now the details of this theorem and Pythagoras theorem is given in the next video. Thank you.